Hello everybody, if you want to see me turn an old horrible driveway like this into a thing of beauty, like this beautiful driveway, please be sure to watch the whole video, see it all the way through, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic walkthroughs of our projects. Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw and you want to see more of it, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more content and more videos of our fantastic systems and products. Thank you.